I'm Laura from Milkbar, and in this clip I'm going to take you through all Milkbar's 3 suction kits, what the difference is between them and which one might work best for you. So for a quick rundown of each suction kit, we have our original kit, our all-in-one kit, and our airflow kit, because we know that not all nipples are one size fits all, or one size needs all. So we have 3 kits on offer, and I hope that we find the perfect one for you. So starting with our original kit, this kit is so loved and so trusted by so many mums that we have put it into our breast pump kits. So this is the one you will receive on purchasing your brand new Milkbar breast pump. So the original kit, once you've taken the dust cover off, is a kit that will compress down on your nipple while you're pumping. It is our highest velocity suction that you will feel. It does have a few components to it. The valve is a traditional valve with a little membrane that you can see there, and it needs to be completely flat while you are pumping. This kit is perfect for starting out, and it does come in 2 sizes. So if you find that you're enjoying the suction of this kit, but you think it's a little bit small, you can use the card that we send you in your breast pump to measure your nipples and see if the next size up, which is a 25mm kit, is right for you. Now, all you would need to do then is purchase this little insert, which is available on our website in a size 25. If you are finding that this kit is a little bit strong for you, or if the 25 is not large enough size, or if the 22 is too big, then you can look to move to our all-in-one, which has a few more options. The other reason you might move to the all-in-one kit is if you don't like the several components of the original kit, or if the suction velocity feels a little too strong. So this one has a slightly lower suction, and that is to do with the little valve. It is slightly different, but this kit is all-in-one. And it does come in 3 sizes, so you can get a size 21, 25, and 29. All of the sizes will be on your size card that comes with your breast pump. So if you're going to move to this kit, you will have to purchase the full kit to start, and that will give you the outer casing, the top, and the membrane. And you can choose which size you want. After that, if you need different sizes or inserts, you can purchase those separately. So this one comes in just a few components, so that is all in one as opposed to the original, which are in all different separate components. So this one is perfect if you want a slightly lower suction, but still great compression on the nipple and a few less parts. And that one, as I mentioned, comes in 21, 25 and 29. However, we also have our brand new airflow kit, so this one could be perfect for you as well. If you're finding the 22 is too strong, or if you don't want any touch on your nipples at all because they're cracked, sore, tender, then you can move to our airflow. So this kit is one size, and one size of this fits most. We do tend to suggest that smaller nipples are more suited to the airflow, so we're talking 25 and under, but between 25 and 29 can have success with this too. So the airflow works slightly different to these two. These two compress down on the nipple with the soft silicone shield, and this one expands with air inside the shell. So inside the shell will expand with air, causing no more room for your nipple, so it will compress down. So the air compresses your nipple instead of the silicone shield. So this allows more comfort, less touch. and we have found really great success for those with flat or inverted nipples or very small nipples that do not suit the 21 or 22. So this is a really great kit. Again, it has the little valve here, which it all takes apart, and there are a few more components to this one in comparison to our all-in-one. It still has a little diaphragm and a little valve. The diaphragm just sits at the back, so it's nice and compact too, and also quite upright. So if you're worried about being in a rush and your breast pump toppling, like these two may, if you don't have your little stand, then this one is nice and handy for that too. So I hope that has given you a good idea on the difference between each suction kits, and in the next clips I'm going to go through each one individually and show you how to assemble them and clean them so that you can know exactly how to manage with your kit and get the most out of your breast pump.